Hello, Barkai. I hope everybody's having a great summer so far. This week, we are reading from Perashat Hukat. Hukat is a fantastic parasha that has a lot of different stories in it. One of the most famous is the story of Moshe Rabbeinu hitting the rock. And you have to ask yourself the question, what did Moshe do that was so wrong? I don't understand. I mean, many parashiyot ago, he was told to hit the rock. Now Moshe Rabbeinu hits the rock and he gets punished for it. And not only does he get punished, this is the reason why he's not allowed into Eretz Yisrael. The pasuk says, "Vayomer Adonai Moshe ve'Aharon Ya'an lo he'emantem bi lahakdisheni le'enei bnei Yisrael," because you did not believe in me in order to sanctify me in the eyes of the Jewish people. Lachen lo tabiu et hakahal hazeh el haaretz asher natati lahem. You're not going to bring the people into the land of Israel. I mean, it's ironic because 2 weeks ago we had a discussion about the fact that Moshe Rabbeinu himself convinced God not to wipe out the people as a result of their sin. And we spoke about the power of forgiveness. So what did Moshe Rabbeinu do so bad? And Rashi points out a fantastic concern here. Rashi says, "L'hakdisheni she'ilu dibartem el hasela." He said, if you did speak to the Selah, to the rock, and the rock gave water, the people would say, Ma Selah zeh she'eno medaber. What? This rock that is an inanimate object. It doesn't speak, it doesn't listen. It doesn't need anything. But yet it still listens to the word of Moshe Rabbeinu. Kal v'chomer, how much so we, the Jewish people, should listen to the word of God. The power of words can get water from a stone. We hear often that the pen is mightier than the sword. The power of words is much stronger and much more impactful than any physical oppression. The Jewish people revolutionized the world when they stood up against the concept of might makes right. And this is an example that Moshe Rabbeinu should have spoken to the rock, as Rashi says, because by using the words to bring water from the rock, the Jewish people would realize how seriously words are when we're creating relationships and when we're trying to get people to do the right thing. This issue is going to come up again and again throughout the Sefer as we get closer and closer to Rosh Hashanah and Yom Kippur. Shabbat Shalom.